Hello everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us as we take a look at the weather forecast for the next few days and actually even to next week. We've got three different events. There's a cold snap coming through right now. We've got a large high rolling in for the weekend, and then about a week from now, potentially another storm. So let's get into it. Here's the animated wind map. Look at the cold air that is coming out from the Southern Ocean. It is heading towards the South Island, and at the same time you've got a westerly system there with a cold front that's going to move in. So bit of rain, bit of southerly, and that's going to produce some snow. But as we said yesterday, just snow showers. So the same as rain showers are hit and miss. Not everybody gets them. Exactly the same setup for you on Friday. So there's a risk of snow showers overnight tonight, and then again early Friday morning to what we call low levels. That could be below 100 meters, just briefly for a time. So you might just get a snow shower and that's it in the middle of the night, or you might see it in the morning. But generally speaking, it's dry. Look at that. Most of the South Island is dry. So we're not expecting a snowstorm, but some of the highways do have a chance, especially the Alpine passes further up here, like the Arthur's Pass area, might get some heavier snow for a time. So just be aware of that if you're traveling. But the good news is it won't be lingering, so things will clear up. In the North Island, your southerly change arrives on Friday, so the temperatures do drop, but with the wind blowing around, it'll be a cold day, but you might not get a frost at night because of that breeze blowing around and some of the showers. So let's go to lunchtime Saturday, and you can see it'll be frosty around the South Island, or at least cold and calm, because most of the wet weather's now moved into the North Island's eastern side. So showers and cold wintry southerlies for Wellington, although they should clear. Then up towards Wairarapa, Hawke's Bay and Gisborne, your Saturday doesn't look like it's going to be overly sunny, but once you get a little bit inland, it may not be too bad, and obviously the sun comes out in many other areas as a result of high pressure. And high pressure dominates on Sunday. Finally, it pushes away those showers in the east. So most places on Sunday will be pretty cold to start with a fairly pleasant afternoon. Might just be a little bit of cloud and possibly even a few showers coming into the far north at the end of Sunday. Now we go to Monday, and high pressure dominates the eastern side of the North Island. So everybody gets about 2 days at least of dry settled weather before the next system comes on through. So obviously eastern areas are the last to get the dry spell coming in this weekend, but you're also the last to keep it. So by next Monday, it's still beautiful over the eastern side there. Might be a little bit more cloud in the north, and clearly plenty of cloud coming in for the west coast of the South Island. Now let's fast forward a whole week. This is to the end of next Wednesday going into next Thursday. And look at this, a potential storm again coming through, and it could be very similar to the one that we just saw, although in New Zealand, storms don't often make a repeat performance in the exact same places. Sometimes it usually just shifts it around a wee bit because of our mountains and ranges. There's a long way to go yet. Yesterday, the models weren't picking anything like this, so we've still got to take about 2 or 3 days before we can sort of get a much firmer idea. But we do expect around next Wednesday and Thursday another low pressure system with the risk of severe weather coming in towards the country. Where that severe weather will be and how significant it will be, we won't know, probably until about the end of the weekend or even Monday of next week. So keep up to date with us, we'll keep you informed, and our next video will be on Friday.